Live. This is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is May 20th, 2012. It is Sunday evening, and here's your update for today. You still might have some time on the West Coast to see the eclipse. Don't look directly at it, but it's the Ring of Fire eclipse. And remember, don't look directly at it, it can blind you. But that's what's going on, in case you don't know what's going on today out there. And this is my third attempt of getting this video up and loaded. I don't know why. Maybe it's something I'm saying. Let's first go into Earth Changes. SOT.net. Earthquake, magnitude 6.0 off the coast of Honshu, Japan. Okay. Now, also, there's been a 6.0 earthquake, has rocked northern Italy, killing at least 3 people. It's probably from the alignment of the moon and the sun and the solar M5 flare that came in. USGS, magnitude 6.0, northern Italy again. Guatemala, Fuego, volcano splits lava and ash. And that's it for the extinction protocol. I mean the SOT.net. That's SOT.net. Let me go into the extinction protocol while I'm here. I have a lot of news for you tonight. Hopefully you'll see this in time. I've been working on this for 2 hours now. It keeps knocking me off every time, right before I can publish this. Okay, Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. Christchurch, New Zealand, rattled by more tremors. They've had a 4.1 and a 4.8. Also, wakening second glacial burst from geothermal vents under Katla volcano, that's in Iceland. Major crack in the south wall of Fukushima Reactor 4. Is this the end of the world as we know it? Maybe you can see the crack. This is very important. You're going to have to try to see the crack here. And I'll have to check to see if let me see if I got you on here. Hopefully you can see it. I'm backing this off a little so you can see. Hopefully you got it. There it is. I think this is the crack here they're talking about. I don't know what these yellow lines are. It's in Japanese. But it looks like that's the crack right there. The mess next to it. And look at all this. Alrighty, let me put the camera back. See if you can see me. I can't monitor this. Let's see if we got the camera back. I have no idea if you can see that picture, but I'm hoping you did. Okay. Moving on. Dr. Michio Kaku from the Flashpoint's Daily News magazine interview says that humans cannot come close to certain parts of the reactor site and even robots get fried. Oh. There's a video on some of this stuff. Let's see. 6.0 magnitude strikes off the coast of Japan. So there was a 6.0 and a 6.2. So there's 2 of them. Italy 6.0 again. Same one. I think they're just... Scientists pondered the existence of theoretical new planet in the solar system. Heads up, you Nibiru activists. There you go. There it is. Let's see. Guatemala's Fuego volcano emits massive ash cloud closing airport. That was yesterday. And the tropical storm Alberto forms off the South Carolina coast. And that's yesterday. And today too. It's still out there. Heads up. And we do have an extreme weather let me see if I can close this without having a problem. Okay. Okay, let's see here. We do have a weather alert from Dutch Sense. Very severe weather in Colorado, Oklahoma, Texas, Kansas, Missouri, Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, Michigan, Tennessee, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia. Heads up, severe weather. Very severe weather warning. Alert. Check with your local news. What's going on? Okay. Let's close this. Without closing everything, I hope. Okay. The Watchers. Let's go into the Watchers. An interplanetary shock wave swept past Earth on May 20th. And that was at 0200 hours UTC. Knife fish invasion troubling Philippines fishermen. Again, about northern Italy is shaking. More than 70 aftershocks after the 6.0 earthquake. Fuego volcano in Guatemala had largest eruption in years. Another strong 5.2 earthquake hits northern Italy. Deadly heat wave across India. Annular solar eclipse today. Hopefully you still catch that. Don't look at it though with your naked eye. Tropical storm Alberto formed off the South Carolina coast. Magnitude 6.0 earthquake struck off the east coast of Honshu. Series of strong aftershocks followed. Strong earthquake with magnitude 5.9 struck Antofagasta, Chile. And that's it for this one, but we're going to leave it up. I'm not taking any of these down because somehow it's knocking everything off. Okay, let's go into the ENE News. Energy News. Work at spent fuel pool number 4 being handled like a construction project. That's unfortunate to say the least. There is no international effort. Oh, sure there's not. Everybody's been screaming at them and asking to help them. There's a bunch of baloney going on. Pacific Ocean will continue to be contaminated kind of for the rest of time. Contaminant vessels continuously leaking into sea. And then the next article says, trillions of becquerels per day still being emitted from Fukushima Daiichi. Radioactive steam continues. Former senior reactor operator, you can get a recriticality in spent fuel pool number 4. Never-ending fountain of particulates and gas. Magnitude 6.2 earthquake and several above 5.0 hit off northeast Japan in last day. Gunderson, recent hydrogen buildup inside Fukushima reactor worrisome. And this was yesterday. Reporter at Fukushima Daiichi reactor seems terribly threatened by the slightest movement or upheaval of heaven and of earth. Well, they said that yesterday, and all of a sudden now they're just getting hit with all kinds of 6.2, 6.0, 5.0 over there at Hansu by reactor number 4. Now there's a crack in it. Alrighty then. And there's nothing from the US and Canada going on right now, so we won't report on that. And let me end this with you. Also, there's 214 days left in 8 hours till December 21st, 2012. You got 214 days and 8 hours. Just a heads up you. We're not even halfway through the year yet. We're getting there. So, we have 1.5 days down of the weekend. And it's 1.5, almost 2 days. Have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow.